Hello, children. Now, you must be waiting for the answer of the question that was asked in the last video. So, actually, there is a mood of sadness through the contrast between the calm beauty in nature and man's preparation to desecrate it. The author wants us to understand this contrast. The beauty of the vibrant orange and red with a touch of purple in the calm afternoon sky is set against the sinister blue barrel of the boy's gun. The difference in the colors, the color of the sky, red, purple, orange, and it says the blue barrel of the boy's gun and his father's advice to shoot fast. So both these things are telling us the contrast between the colors which has been given. Now the next paragraph. There must be millions, he exclaimed. Half the sky was covered by teal. Huge clouds of them banked one way, then another, changing the shape of the sky and blotting the light. The sky deepened. The water turned black. Small groups broke away, diving, then rising in perfect formations. Now, the child looks up and he could see on the horizon. He watches them fascinated as they appear, because we have already read that bird watching is his passion. He loves watching the birds. The father is focused on teaching the son to hunt the birds, while the son is mesmerized by the beauty of countless teals flying in perfect formation. Means when they fly, they are flying in some formation. They always fly. You must have seen that the birds fly in formation. So he saw and he was mesmerized. Will they all land here on the lake? The child asks. They look too high. I think they are aiming for somewhere else. Who decides? The father answers. They know. Then they were overhead. The sky filled with masses of birds in flight. A flurry of bird calls. Father and son looked at each other. Here, the son is so much fascinated, but he looks at the sky and all over there he can see that only birds and only birds. First they came huge clouds of the birds. First they came one side. They flew with one wing higher and the other went turning. You must have seen them flying, soaring high up in the sky when they are banked with their one way. Then another, changing the shape of the sky. As they were changing their formation, as they were flying, the shape of the sky was also changing with them. A very nice description of the flight of birds. You can imagine how they fly like that. So, it is described here just to enjoy the instinct to fly in formation. See their instinct, how they are flying in formation. And just you can appreciate the world of nature, so that we can also realize how mindlessly we desecrate that beauty of our sport. This is not the beauty of the sport. This should not happen. If they are doing this for sport, this is not the beauty. So the child is asking, are they all going to land here on the lake? They seem like that. But the father is saying, they are too high. If they would have to land here, they would have come near. But they are too high. I think they are aiming for somewhere else. They are going somewhere else. The child is curious. He asks, who is deciding all those things? The father says, they only know. Who else can say? So, after some time, they all were on their head. The sky was filled with them. Masses of birds. So many birds together. So many birds. And when they are overhead, both of these, the father and the son, were able to hear their sound. A number of birds were calling once together. They both looked at each other. Here goes. The man undid his safety catch and started firing. So, as you can see, the man has started firing. He has the part of the gun which prevents the accidental shooting. He takes it out and then he starts firing, throwing buckshots at the sky. Started firing many small balls of metal fires which is coming out of that gun, shotgun. So he started firing. The explosions shook the boat. So many explosions were there. It shook the boat. The lake rippled. As you can see, when something is fired up and after that those small barrels are coming back to the river, there are ripples. So the ripples were there. He pumped the gun empty. Actually, what did he do? The father, he just emptied his gun. He emptied his gun. He did not see whether he is firing on, means he fired all his pellets at the birds, but he missed them. He could not shoot even one of them. Too high. They are flying much too high. And he said that they were flying too much high from them. That's why he could not get any of them. So he is giving the explanation why he could not shoot any of them. His son slowly raised his rifle. He had a more patient and steady hand. He picked a single speck out of the mass in the sky, the leader of a formation flying towards them. He aimed and fired. The speck plummeted. So, now it was the child's turn. He also tried. He was very steady. He was not at all in a hurry. He slowly raised his rifle. He had a more patient and steady. He had a patient hand. He was not impatient. He picked a single speck. He did not fire on every bird. But he took a single bird, the leader of the formation. He aimed, he fired. And the one whom he fired, he fell very fast and suddenly. He fell. That means he shot correctly. Now, your question for this video is, why does the writer provide such striking and beautiful images of nature? Why in this story we are going through this beautiful description of nature? Why? He could have not given this beautiful description of nature and directly he could have given the answer. So, Think about the answer. In the next video, we will learn what happened to the injured bird. Till then, think about the answer. Thank you.